It's true, laughter is strong medicine. It draws people together in ways that trigger healthy physical and emotional changes in the body. Laughter strengthens your immune system, boosts mood, diminishes pain, and protects you from the damaging effects of stress. Nothing works faster or more dependably to bring your mind and body back into balance than a good laugh. Humor lightens your burdens, inspires hope, connects you to others, and keeps you grounded, focused, and alert. It also helps you release anger and forgive sooner. With so much power to heal and renew, the ability to laugh easily and frequently is a tremendous resource for surmounting problems, enhancing your relationships, and supporting both physical and emotional health. Best of all, this priceless medicine is fun, free, and easy to use. As children, we used to laugh hundreds of times a day. But as adults, life tends to be more serious and laughter more infrequent. But by seeking out more opportunities for humor and laughter, you can improve your emotional health, strengthen your relationships, find greater happiness, and even add years to your life. Laughter is a powerful medicine for body. The ability to laugh frequently is good for health. Laughter protects the heart. It increases the functioning of blood vessels. It improves the amount of oxygen in blood. This reduces the risk of heart attack and increases blood flow, which can help protect you against a heart attack and other cardiovascular problems. Laughter reduces depression. It helps the body to release the feel-good hormones called endorphins. These hormones helps us to be happy. Endorphins promote an overall sense of well-being and can even temporarily relieve pain. Laughter improves sleep quality. It can keep our mind and body away from various pressures of work or study that ensures optimum health. It is no replacement for going to the gym, but one study found that laughing for 10 to 15 minutes a day can burn approximately 40 calories, which could be enough to lose 3 or 4 pounds over the course of a year. Laughter boosts the immune system. It increases the production of antibodies and activates body's protective cells. This helps to fight diseases like common cold and flu. Laughter may even help you to live longer. A study in Norway found that people with a strong sense of humor outlived those who don't laugh as much. The difference was particularly notable for those battling cancer. Laughter relieves stress. It reduces stress hormones like adrenaline and increases positive hormones like endorphins to keep us more relaxed. A good hearty laugh relieves physical tension and stress, leaving your muscles relaxed for up to 45 minutes after. Laughter gives social benefits. It creates positive energy and feelings that lead to more happiness and joyful relations. It keeps people closer to each other. Laughter lightens anger's heavy load. Nothing diffuses anger and conflict faster than a shared laugh. Looking at the funny side can put problems into perspective and enable you to move on from confrontations without holding into bitterness or resentment.